Hi folks, just going to walk you around this 2017 Transporter T6. It's a 150 DSG, short wheelbase, highline Kombi. It's fitted with the LV Sportline pack. So I'm just going to talk to you about the features this van's got and also what comes as part of our LV Sportline pack. So just to start with, we've got the LV front splitter there with a silver grille strip. As part of this pack as well, all these grills, so this lower grill here, this section here where the front park sensors are, and this radiator grill, they're all just black plastic on a standard van. So we paint those gloss black, just really finishes the front end of the van. You'll see straight away as well, we've got the really cool LED daytime running lights on there. We've also got the headlight washers as well. So that's the factory LED upgrade. That's an awesome feature. So as well as looking really cool with the LED daytime running lights and also the LED lights themselves, they give a real white light out. It just, the vision is 100% better than the standard headlights. The standard headlights are okay, but these are just so much better. So moving on, we've got the 20-inch Wraith alloy wheels, black polished. See the van sitting quite a bit lower than standard. We've got the 40mm springs on there, just lowering the van and firming the ride up, losing some of the bounciness and also the body roll that you get on a standard van. Got the black sidebars, black roof bars. This is a factory Kombi. Round to the back of the van, we've got the LV tailgate spoiler. We've also got the carbon fibre bumper protector, just finishing things off. So open the tailgate, show you what we're doing here. So we've got the fully carpet lined interior, it's finished off with the Suede panelling. Just in there. Got the LED touch lighting in there as well. So just touch those on and off. Now what you can't see in here is the lining that we put in at the back of there, which is twofold. It insulates the van so it keeps it warmer in the winter, cooler in the summer, and it kills a lot of the sound. The vans are really noisy as standard. These are so much better with the lining in there. It's well worth coming and having a go in one, which you're quite welcome to do. Got the LED rear lights as well, another part of the factory option with the LED fronts. So we've got twin doors on this van as well, the twin manual doors. Part of the LV Sportline pack. Put some USB charging ports in there, so you've got two of those each side. So you've got the kids, charge the iPads up, the phones up, whatever else. You've got the black leather with a red stitch. And just moving on inside the van. One of the must-have features on these with factory options is the electric folding door mirrors. So it's not standard. Electric mirrors are standard, but the folding isn't. So you've got comfort dash. So what comfort dash means is all these pockets here. So this one, it's all open on a standard van without the comfort dash, as is this section just here. You've got all the nice aluminium trim effect on there and the grey finish on the front there as well. You've got this handy little pocket down here as well. You stick your phone in there, that's what I do. Leave it on charge. You've got a USB in the glove box. And just also inside the glove box as well, it's all kind of flocked inside, so like a velvety material, just lining everything. Just giving it a much more premium feel. So you've got the Discover Media navigation in there, so sat nav. You've got heated seats. You've got some more spec that's standard on a Highline, which is cruise control. You've got a heated front windscreen. That's a great feature for the winter months. Just pop that on and within about a minute the frost's gone off the windscreen and you're ready to go. So you've got the armrests on the front seats, both sides as well. The two armrests makes for those long journeys a little bit comfier. You've got front and rear parking sensors on this van. Got all the audio controls, trip computer, Bluetooth, DAB radio, air conditioning, automatic headlights, rain sensing wipers. They're kind of all standard features of a Highline van, so they are pretty high spec as standard, but this one's got a lot of the factory options on there as well. So lots of toys. So, thanks for watching, guys. You can check this van out on the website. Give us a call, drop us an email, info@leightonvans.co.uk. Hit us up on social media, we're pretty active on there, so we will come back to you. Thanks for watching. Cheers.